Hi, my name is Breezy Dango, and today we're not reading a book. Today we're going to do something on my computer called boom cards. Let me just go get it. So what I was saying, we're going to do something with my computer, and this is called subtraction. It's a type of math. So let's get started. 7 minus 4. Okay, this one is tricky, but 1, 2, 3, 4. And that equals 3 more. So I'm just going to add 4 x's. Equals 3. Minus 2. Okay, 10 minus 2 equals 8. Because so we go 8, 9, 10. And if we take 2, that's 10, 9. And then we have 8. So it's 2. And put 8. 6 minus 6. Ooh, and it equals 0. Because we have 6, but then we take away all of them, so we have nothing. That is 0. So we're going to put X on all of them. And type in 0. 8 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. So we take away these. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to type in 5. I'm going to take away 3. 9 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. So we take 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6. So we put in 6 and put away 3. 1, 2, 3. 10 minus 1. That one is easy. 9. Because, so we get go 9, 10. Then we take 10 away. Then we have 9. And let's type in 9. 9 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to type in 4. Boy, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all for today. And we're going to do a different boom cards when you come back. Bye!